Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you more Google AI Bard prompts that will help you on your daily duties. Very easy, very simple. In the previous video guys, we went through how you can craft the perfect resume for your job. In this video I'm going to show you how to ask Bard AI to help you in the cooking. Very simple. Let's come over here. Let's say I am organizing a dinner for my friends. Okay, I want to cook a salmon with mashed potatoes. Okay, give me step by step recipe. Okay, and guidance. Let's see what we're going to get. Very important, guys. You need to consider that sometimes Bard works better than ChatGPT, but sometimes it doesn't. We tested yesterday on the financial news and trading and crypto and stocks. Didn't do a good job, but on resume did fantastic job. And now let's see how it performs on cooking and recipes and home duties. So herb roasted salmon with creamy garlic mashed potatoes sounds delicious. The recipe features, okay, roasted salmon with crispy. We have the ingredients, okay. We have the actual measures of each the ingredients, okay, 4 salmon fillets, okay. We have the instructions. Preheat the oven. Let's say that we are planning to cook on air fryer. Okay, they have, oh, we actually got a pictures as well. That is very nice, guys. Look at this, just look at this. Right, we have the pictures, we have absolutely everything, so you can choose between, you see, you can choose between this and this. Preheat, roast the salmon to 15 minutes until it's cooked. While the salmon cooks, prepare the mashed potatoes, bring a large pot and salted pepper. Just imagine if you link this one to a voice assistant, right? They can actually read it for you. So you can ask the voice assistant, it will come over here, ask Bard AI. Bard AI will give you all these prompts with pictures, with everything. The voice assistant will give you back the answers, and you can actually work just listening what the voice assistant is dictating you. Amazing. Tips: for extra flavor, you can add a lemon slice on a baking sheet with salmon. If you don't have a fresh herbs, you can use 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. Additional guidance: timing to recipe takes about 30 minutes. Okay, that sounds very good. But we ask for air fryer update. Okay, absolutely, air fryer. Salmon and mashed potatoes are fantastic choice for dinner party. Ingredients: no need to baking sheet. Okay, cooking method: 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the salmon fillets with previously described olive oil. Okay, cooking is much less, guys. I would say 5 minutes we saved here. Cook 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, we have the mashed potato also recipe on the air fryer. Let's ask for how many people is this recipe for. The recipe is for 4 salmon fillet and 4 serving. Assuming 1 salmon fillet per person, the recipe serves 4 people. Okay, so how long time do I need to set aside for cooking and prepping before the dinner? You see, all these important questions. Now it's gonna compute. Estimated preparation 30 minutes, 10 minutes gathering the ingredients. That's very fast, guys. It's fast, you know why? Because we are going to use the air fryer, that's why. Very good, guys. As you saw, GPT is not doing as good job as Bard AI. Bard AI is giving us the pictures, the final results, pro tips, and estimation of the timing. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.